This is a publication created by Serif PagePlus. It's a layout tool. You need the specific software version to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open the layout. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PPP data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A PPP file is associated with PagePlus Publication, a desktop publishing software developed by Serif, now part of Affinity. It contains page layout designs, text, images, and other graphical elements used to create professional-looking documents such as brochures, newsletters, posters, and marketing materials. PagePlus offers a range of tools for precise control over typography, layout, and image editing. PPP files store information about the arrangement of objects on a page, including their position, size, color, and other properties. The format supports various text formatting options, image embedding, and vector graphics. PagePlus uses a proprietary file format, so it can only be opened and edited using the PagePlus software, or potentially converted to other formats using compatible tools. The file structure is optimized for efficient storage and retrieval of layout data. When viewing the file metadata, the PPP shows a direct link to PagePlus from Serif. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows cannot present accurate typography or spacing, so layout editing tools are required. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your PPP file and select Open with. Test PagePlus if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you cannot access the PPP file, no problem. We've got this under control. If the PPP file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, use PagePlus. Open the file using Serif PagePlus, the required application for the desktop publishing document. Next, check version. Ensure your PagePlus version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to PDF docx. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like .pdf or docx. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.